Hello guys, I'm Chicken. Today, we're gonna be smoking one cigarette while talking about my journey on moving on from my ex. But before we go to that, let's get this lit up. So, I know some of you might be going through the same thing I'm going through. I recently went through a breakup and it's been tough. Pero kailangan kong gawin yon. Gawin to kasi mahal ko yung taong yon. Kaso, mahal ko din naman yung sarili ko. I'm currently on my journey on moving on. I recently deleted and removed all contacts and connection to her and her family. So I'm hurt because it's really hard. I'm not gonna lie, it hurts. Pero kailangan kong gawin to kasi ito ang tama para sa akin. Here's some advice for you guys out there who are going through the same thing. So first, delete all memories. Photos, conversations, and the things or stuff she left to you or he left to you. It's time to let go. Second, focus on yourself and your own healing. You can't pour from an empty cup, so prioritize yourself first. Third, surround yourself with people who love and support you. You need people who lift you up, not bring you down. At pangapat, take time to grieve. It's okay na maging malungkot, magalit, okay lang yon. Let it be. But don't get stuck in the past. It's okay to move on and it's okay to be happy again. Kaya guys, that's my journey on moving on. I hope you guys learned something from my experience. And remember, it's okay to take your time, but don't be afraid to move on. Smoke one with me and let's move on together. So yun lang. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.